Why was Subhash Chandra Bose known as Netaji? Ever since he became a rebellious leader, Subhash Chandra Bose inspired his fellow men saying, "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. You give me blood and I promise you freedom." The nationalist spirit that the mighty man could sow in the hearts of young men who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of this holy land was unparalleled. Often Subhash Chandra Bose is counted among the forgotten heroes who were not given the due importance they deserve. The valiant one is credited with the title Netaji. Plunging into the freedom struggle, Subhash Chandra Bose took a great advantage of the Second World War. He took the help of Nazi Germany and Japan and planned a tough war against the British in India. During the beginning of the year 1942, the Indian soldiers of the Indisch Legion and the German and Indian officials in the Special Bureau for India in Berlin honored him with the title Netaji. This historic personality has greatly inspired the people of Japan, and to this day, Netaji is a highly respected name in Japan. The way chosen by the hero. This noble soil gave birth to a lot of remarkable personalities who demonstrated their love for the nation, especially bands of heroes who fought for the freedom of this land exhibited a great sense of patriotism. However, each one of them was so unique in their policies and approaches. Netaji found it appropriate to fight with the British in an armed and well-organized way, demonstrating a violent storm-like temperament. Netaji startled the British. Netaji was one single personality whom the British viewed as the most dynamic and influential leader, respected and regarded by all sections and communities of the country. They acknowledged the fact that Netaji's ideas could reach the younger generation in the right wavelength, moving them to demonstrate the nationalist spirit. Fearing the consequences that his courage and organizing abilities would get them, the British always had a keen eye on him in their own interest. The formative influences. Netaji was highly inspired by the teachings of the Bhagavad Gita. He deemed that this single text can give the fuel much needed to inspire the youth with the ideals of patriotism. Always he desired to interpret the ancient scriptures of this land in new perspective and light, so that the young generation is duly recharged in their struggle against the British. The power of Netaji. Netaji is always remembered for his inspiring speeches that stirred the masses. Some of his famous quotes are well remembered and often quoted to this day. He said, "The greatest curse for a man is to remain a slave. The grossest crime is to compromise with injustice and wrong. The highest virtue is to battle against iniquity, no matter what the cost may be," which duly brings to surface the indomitable spirit that he epitomized. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.